Hey babes, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny, and in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing my summer FabFitFun box. I literally cannot wait to open this up, so if you want to see everything that I got, then let's get right into the video. Alright, so first off, my apologies if you hear the fan going on right now. It's literally so hot here in my room, and with the ring light it only makes it hotter, so my apologies if you hear it. But let's go ahead and see what's in the summer box. First of all, I do want to acknowledge how much smaller this box is. Actually, you know, it's just smaller to the eye, but it's a little bit taller, so I'm just assuming that it's more eco-friendly, so that's really amazing. And it looks like that once you open it, and you always get like some coupon codes. Oh my god, these stickers are so freaking cute. It has summer 2021, some ice cream cones, ice cream, and it's just a lot of summer little stickers, so that is really cool. And this is the summer magazine. I'm just gonna go to the page that tells me everything that's in the box. Alright, so here is the page that shows everything that's in the box, and I do notice that it looks a little bit different than usual. And I do want to mention that this time around I was actually able to customize every single option. Let me know in the comments down below if it was the same for you. And I am an annual member, so I know that I usually get more options to customize my box, but from what I remember, this time around I was able to select everything in the box. So I kind of remember what my selections were, but I also kind of forgot. So let's just go ahead and see what's actually in my box. So the first item that I got in my summer box is by African Botanics, and this is their shimmering gold oil, and this is what it looks like. Now that I see it, I do remember making this selection, and with summer just around the corner, I love using body oils, and especially, oops, I almost dropped it, and especially if they have any type of shimmer in it, and these look pretty cool. I'm not gonna open it right now because I don't want to spill it, but definitely looks so pretty in the packaging. And I mean, I do have a little bit of a tan, so I think it will go great with my skin color, so I'm pretty excited about that. I usually use the one by Sol de Janeiro, and I really love it. I just noticed that the consistency on this one is more liquidy than the other ones I have used in the past, but obviously I will give it a try. The next item that I got, oh, I'm actually super excited about this one. This is by Supergoop, and this is their Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. This is what the packaging looks like. Let me go ahead and get it out so that you can actually see it. I have been wanting to try their sunscreens. One, because I know they're pretty famous, and they're also pretty pricey. So this is what the actual packaging inside looks like, the component, and it's a pretty good size, you guys. This one, it has 1.7 fluid ounces, and let me go ahead and show you how much this one is, I guess, retails for. So I was noticing that the magazine doesn't have the retail prices of the items in my box anymore, which I think is kind of odd. I know it used to have it on here, so I just went ahead and went to the Supergoop website, and it looks like this specific product retails for $34, so that is pretty cool. And let me go ahead and look this one up because I completely forgot to tell you guys. So this is pretty interesting, but I couldn't find the same exact product on the African Botanics website. I do see this product, but it's a different packaging, and it has more products. So the one online has 3.4 ounces and retails for $110. So I'm just assuming that they probably changed the packaging and we just got like a prior version, because I do see it online on websites such as eBay, Poshmark. For example, Poshmark is going for $45. I see another listing for $65. So I guess it all depends, but it seems to be I guess a pricey item. So regardless, I'm pretty interested in trying this out. So the next item that I got in my box is by Summer Fridays, and this is their CC Me Serum, and I'm actually really excited to try this brand. I know that they went viral on Instagram, or at least I have been seeing it a lot, but I just personally haven't bought anything from the brand. So, and I love serum, so this seems pretty cool. Honestly, I cannot wait to try it. This is what the actual component looks like. I love their packaging. I actually really like it. I don't know how to explain it. It looks like if it was ceramic for some reason, but I'm really excited to try this out. And also, just to give you the retail price, this one, it sells for $64 at Sephora. And I see it at the same price at the Summer Fridays website. So that is pretty pricey, and I just love it when I get skincare in my box. And in case you don't know, so vitamin C is amazing just to brighten up your skin complexion, get rid of dark spots, and it's just really great for the skin. So I literally cannot wait to use it. All right, so the next item that I got, I'm actually really happy that I selected this. I just need a workout, you guys, and these are literally resistance bands. These are by the brand, I don't know how to pronounce this. I believe it's Obey, I'm not really sure, but these actually look amazing. So I basically got a light and a medium one, and I just love the colors. They feel really sturdy and of great material, and I just love the colors. I mean, these colors are so fun. Let me see what the retail price is for these ones, because they look pretty expensive. So I couldn't find the same exact set online, but I do see a similar one. The retails for $18. So just take that as an estimate. But I mean, these look like really great quality. Actually really good. And I just love the colors. So I can't wait to work out with this. Alright, so next up, I got another skincare item. And this is by the brand Flight Mode, and this is their high altitude hydration mask. And I'm gonna be honest, I never heard of this brand before. I just looked them up, and it looks like these retails for $39, which is really cool. Let me actually go ahead and open it so that I can show you what the actual product looks like inside. So it looks like it's also wrapped inside of the box, which is interesting. Never seen that before. But oops, let's see, can get it out. Okay, there you go. So this is what the actual component, the packaging looks like. It's just like a squeezy tube, and it's a pretty good size. You get 1.69 fluid ounces, and honestly, anything that has hydration on the name, I will probably love it, because my skin is still so dry. So I'm really excited to try this out, and I will let you guys know how I like it. And I am down to the last product in my box, and this is by Lashes MD. This is their eyelash conditioner, and I'm actually happy that I got this, because I got lashes extensions 2 months ago, and I'm not gonna lie, when I got rid of them, they did take some of my natural lashes off, and I just got them for my wedding, so I don't regret it. But obviously, you know, it affected my natural lashes, so I will definitely be using this up. And I have been seeing this brand so much, so I don't know, I do have other brand that I have tried before and it was working for me, but I just ran out. So this is what the eyelash conditioner applicator looks like. It's just like a little brush like that. So I mean, I'm pretty sure this type of products just take some time to actually see results. So I don't know, I would definitely give it a try. But I did look up the price, and that one retails for $69.95. So it's kind of pricey, but like I said, I have been seeing this brand so much. I'm sure it's for a reason. But that is literally everything that I got in my box. Honestly, overall, I do want to say that I love all of the products that I received, because I selected everything in my box, but it did take away some of the surprise factor that you know, when you open a subscription box, you want to get a little bit surprised. But I'm not mad about it. I'm just saying, you know, I do love that this time around, it actually says right here that if you are an annual member, now you get to customize your entire box, which I think it's pretty cool. It's honestly really cool. That way you don't get products that you're not gonna be happy with. So that is everything that I got in my box. Actually, let me show you the overall value from everything that I got. It's probably gonna be just an estimate since there were a couple products that I couldn't find the actual price. So it looks like my box approximately it has a value of $292, and obviously I pay $49.99. So I think that is still a pretty amazing deal, especially because I did get to select a lot of products that I have been wanting to try, and this is a really cheap way to be able to try them because, you know, it just makes sense. I honestly love a FabFitFun box just because of that reason. You know, you don't get it every month, but you know, seasonal, I think it's good enough for me, and I just love that I got to select these products, and everything that I got I'm really happy with. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you already got yours. But that is everything for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.